Netflix actually want its production system to goes down. It's crazy, but yes, they does the same thing. Netflix has almost 300 million plus active user, and when we have this much amount of traffic, at that time definitely their backend service will be a distributed service. And when we will be having distributed system, at that time I'm assuming like there will be multiple service attached to it. So there will be, let's say, service A, service B, and service C, and those service will be dependent on each other. Maybe service A is, let's say, dependent on service B, and service B is dependent on service C. Now network failure or any other hardware issue can happen with any service at any point of time, or maybe some cloud outage can also come. Let's say as a result this C service goes down, so definitely as B is dependent on C, this B service will also goes down, and again the A is dependent on B. When B is going down, A will also goes down. It's a chain reaction, and by which the whole company will goes down because of only one server. So when we are designing a distributed system, our intention will be, if I'm dependent on any other service, at that time there will be some fallback mechanism. If this service is not responding to me, at that time I will at least be able to handle my traffic, instead of going my service also goes down. So that's the intention at the time of designing a distributed system. But how to test it? There is no way to test it if this B service is actually not going down. So for that reason, Netflix actually built one tool called Chaos Monkey, and the task of this tool is it will just go in the production, and from production this monkey will shut down any of its service at randomly without notifying to the real engineer or without any Slack message or anything. It will just go and turn the machine off. So that's the intention. If as a chain reaction the other service is also going down, at that time definitely it's a bad design, so engineer have to take care of it. And if the real user is actually not feeling the pain or not understanding what is happening with the system, they are watching the movie nicely, then it's a good design choice, right? So the same thing happened with Netflix actually from 2011 using this tool, which is actually going in production and deleting its instance, and try to check how much resilient their system is, how their system is behaving if any other component of that system is going down. It's a crazy move, but it's one of the great thing to test your service whether it is resilient or not.